Hey folks, do you have a Johnson or Evinrude outboard, an earlier model V4, V6 that has a primer choke on it like this right here? Well, I'm going to show you how you can very quickly, simply, and cost effectively rebuild this little primer choke and get your boat up and running, saving you a lot of money. Okay, so what we're talking about early model Johnson and Evinrude V6 and V4 engines that had what we call a primer choke. And what this thing does is it has a place for the fuel to come in with two lines that go to your carburetors. And this is how you prime when you push your key in to start your engine. This is a solenoid and it works a rubber that releases the fluid in here. Now the reason they have this with this little red valve on top is because if your choke should fail and you need to start it and you need to choke your engine because your battery might be dead or something like that, is by simply priming up your bulb and turning this valve, this will automatically choke your engine for you. But what usually happens is that these things will crack over time. If you look at this little red valve on this one right here, you can see there's a crack and that leaks gas, or the gasket that's in here. There's a gasket on that. If you can see this one, there's a gasket right there that will leak. It's very simple to replace this. Now this is what you're going to be looking for on the V4 models. This is the inner housing of the air breather, that goes on your engine, and you'll find in most circumstances you'll find this primer choke right here on top. And this is where what you're going to want to remove. It simply removes with 2 bolts and 3 fuel lines. Now I want to show you a trick on the fuel lines because these can be pretty tricky, and you can break these little plastic things, and if you break them you're in trouble.